Stop hiding your gorgeous body under oversized clothes thinking it makes you look slimmer. It actually does the exact opposite. Today, I'm going to show you how to look instantly taller and leaner with clothes you already own. Dressing for summer when you're carrying extra weight around your midsection can feel like an absolute nightmare. It's hot, you want to wear fewer layers, but you feel like every single summer outfit just puts your belly fat on full display. Well, stop hiding in oversized black t-shirts. Today, I am giving you 5 foolproof, stylish summer outfit recipes that will completely disguise belly fat instantly. Outfit number 1 is the fit and flare peplum top paired with straight leg cropped pants. Now, forget about those old, stiff peplum tops. We are talking about soft, flowy fabrics like linen or cotton blends. The secret here is that the seam sits right below your bust, which is the narrowest part of your torso, and then it gently flares out over your stomach. It completely hides the tummy area while the straight leg pants keep the bottom half of your body looking lean and structured. It's the perfect smart casual look. Number 2 is a total lifester for summer, the Empire Waist Midi Dress. Just like the peplum, an Empire waist cinches right under the bust line and then flows straight down over your belly and hips. When you choose a midi length, it exposes your ankles, which naturally makes you look taller and slimmer. Bonus points if it has a V-neckline because it draws the eye upward, away from your midsection. It's effortless, it's breezy, and nobody will ever guess what's hiding underneath. Number 3, a ruched wrap top with wide leg linen pants. If you take away anything from this video, let it be this: ruching is a plus-size woman's best friend. Gathered fabric or side wraps act like camouflage for belly fat. It creates texture that physically tricks the eye into seeing shadows instead of a tummy. Pair a wrap top with lightweight, high-waisted wide-leg linen pants. Tuck the front in slightly if it's a faux wrap, and you have the ultimate rich mom vacation aesthetic. Number 4 is for my corporate and classy ladies, the A-line button-down shirt dress. Vertical buttons create an instant lengthening effect down the center of your body. Look for a dress that has an A-line cut, meaning it flares out slightly towards the hem. Instead of a thick leather belt that digs into your stomach, use a soft fabric tie belt and tie it slightly higher than your natural waist. This defines your shape without highlighting any roll. It's crisp, clean, and perfectly professional. Number 5, the linen shirt layer over a column of color. This is a major styling hack. Wear a matching tank top and pants in the same color, let's say all navy or all white. This creates a solid vertical column. Then, throw an oversized linen button-down shirt over it completely unbuttoned. The open shirt creates 2 vertical lines down your sides, cutting your silhouette in half and completely hiding your side profile belly fat while giving you that chic, layered summer vibe without the heat. Fashion over 40 isn't about restriction, it's about strategy. Which of these 5 outfit recipes are you shopping for this weekend? Let me know in the comments below. If you want more body-positive style tips that actually work, make sure to hit that subscribe button for Style Aura. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay beautiful.